Why do some people sneeze when they eat? This curious phenomenon known as gustatory rhinitis occurs due to the stimulation of the nasal membranes while consuming food. Certain flavors, especially spicy ones, can trigger a reaction in the trigeminal nerve, which governs sensations in the face. This response leads to sneezing as a reflex to clear the irritants. Interestingly, this can be more common in individuals who have allergies or asthma, making their airways more sensitive. So next time you sneeze at the dinner table, remember it's just your body reacting in its quirky way.